Alright, welcome back to the Grand Channel. My name is DJ. If you've been rocking with me for a while, appreciate it. If it's your first time, please subscribe, please like, please comment. Today we'll be changing out the 2014 Audi A6 reverse light. So you see how it has that halogen. So everything about the headlight, the headlamp, or however you want to look at it, or the tail light, is LED, but the what they call the emergent, like the fog light, or bad weather light, the rear fog light, and then also the reverse light. So eventually I might change this, but because I don't really use it, it's still bright, and everything else seems to work perfectly on that. But right now we'll be doing the reverse light. You see how it's like that dull halogen, and now we're about to change it over to LED. All right, so we'll be using well, you can use any screwdriver, drill, but I'll be using this one. And then you need to use the bit. The T, you'll need a T25. The Germans made it real easy and real simple to do it. Literally with your hand or with a ply tool, you literally take this, push this in a little bit, and that comes right out. So T25, and you want to put it on reverse. They made this real simple, real easy. And we'll be using these today, which is the 921. And I'll put the link in the description below. I'll put this in there so you can know where to find it at. All right.
Kid just called.
Yeah, ignore. Yeah, just yeah. Thank you.
Fuck. Right.
Try and get the last screw out, making sure that it don't fall. And like I said, they made this real simple and real easy. Literally, you just voila. And the bulb is located right here. Literally take that out. Put this right here. Yep, and it stays right there. So once you take it out the package, you literally just push this right there, and that's it. You put this in, and you line the little divots. It's little divots like right there, and then you just twist it. And that's it for this one. And now we're about to do a real quick before and after, so like you could tell. Then I'm gonna go on the other side so I could just do a complete review on how to do it. You want to do it till it clicks on you, and that's it. And then it's torque to spec. Perfect. Pause it. So as you can see, that was real quick, real easy. Look at that. I don't know if it's coming up on the camera, but day and night difference. Day and night. All right, so I'm about to show you how to do the right side. And then at the end, I'm gonna show you if there's any error messages, which at this point, I didn't see any. All right, so they made this real easy. There's guide rails, so these two plastic pieces, you literally just line it up. Yep, just like that. And then you want to slide and push. You'll hear like a click or two, but that's it. Same thing, real easy, real simple. Just pull this out like right here, bam. Take this, make sure that it says reverse and not drilling in. Like that. Just like that. Once again, real easy, real simple. Take this one. You're gonna twist it this way. So you want to take it and twist that way. Put this right there. Well, actually, I'm gonna just hold it, and then, well, make sure you don't do that.
Want me to get it?
Take your second one. So slide that right on in. Make sure it's all the way in. Line your grooves up again. That's right. Oh, I'm sorry. That's right. So yeah, once you line up the grooves, you literally twist it clockwise. There's this little bulb right here. You literally line the bulb up, and bam, it's just that easy. You want to take your 2 screws once again, making sure it's in the right position. What am I doing? All right, hang on. Oh, sorry. Make sure it's lined up. There you go. So you hear that clip? Once again, guide rails. Line right, just like that. Boom, you finish. All right, now that I've done that, let's see if there's any error messages. Nope. Let's put it in reverse. Nope, no error messages. So we're all good to go. And then once again, once you get done, this is what it looks like. Bam. Nice, nice. All right, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Peace.